Hello, everyone. Welcome to this comprehensive deep dive into Module 2, Excel Fundamentals for Financial Modeling. We're going to cover everything you need to know. Our goal today is to master the technical skills that power professional financial models. These are the foundations of every great analyst. Over the next few minutes, we'll master professional spreadsheet structure, keyboard shortcuts for productivity, and advanced cell referencing. We will also dive into essential Excel functions, error handling, and data validation to ensure your models are bulletproof. Let's start with Topic 2.1, Spreadsheet Structure and Layout Standards. This is where professional modeling truly begins. The golden rule is simple. Anyone should be able to open your model and immediately understand where to find inputs, calculations, and outputs. If it takes someone more than 10 minutes to figure out your model structure, it needs improvement. Clarity is your best friend in finance. A standard workbook should have dedicated sheets, cover and summary, assumptions or inputs, then your core calculations. Following the calculations, you should have your output sheets like income statements and balance sheets, ending with your scenarios and analysis. Within each sheet, follow the flow, inputs at the top, followed by the calculation zone, and finally the output zone. Color coding is essential. Blue cells are for user inputs, black text for formulas, and yellow highlights for your key results. Next up, Topic 2.2, Keyboard Shortcuts for Efficiency. This is how you go from a good analyst to a great one. Mastering just 20 shortcuts can save you up to 2 hours daily. It's a massive productivity increase of 2 to 3 times. Using a mouse takes 3 to 5 seconds per action. On a keyboard, it's less than 1 second. With 100 actions a day, this adds up fast. Master these Level 1 shortcuts first, Ctrl+C, V, and X for copy, paste, and cut. And never forget Ctrl+C to undo. F2 edits the active cell, while F4 toggles your references. Ctrl+D and R are your best friends for filling down and right. Now for navigation. Use Ctrl+Home to jump to cell A1 and Ctrl+ the arrow keys to fly across your data regions. Ctrl+Page Up and Page Down move you between sheets, while Ctrl+F and H help you find and replace anything instantly. Moving on to Topic 2.3, Formatting for Readability. A professional model must be as clear as it is accurate. Blue for inputs, black for calculations, and yellow for outputs. This universal code makes your model instantly understandable to anyone. Consistency is key for numbers. Choose a currency and date format and stick to it throughout the entire model. For large numbers, use clear headers like millions or thousands and only show decimals when precision really matters. Topic 2.4 is Cell Referencing Mastery. This is a fundamental skill that separates beginners from pros. We have relative references that change when copied and absolute references that stay locked. Don't forget mixed references for complex tables. Imagine multiplying units by a fixed price. You must lock the price cell using an absolute reference to keep your calculations accurate. Topic 2.5, Essential Excel Functions. These are the workhorses of every financial model you'll ever build. Our big 5 are if for logic, SIMIFs for conditional summing, lookup for data, and IF-error to keep everything clean. The if function allows your model to make decisions. You can even nest them for multiple conditions or use and for complex logic. SUMIFs is perfect for totaling data that meets specific criteria, like summing sales for a specific region and year. Lookup is the modern standard for finding data, while index match remains a powerful alternative for complex two-dimensional lookups. Topic 2.6, Error Handling and Logical Functions. Professional models must fail gracefully, not with ugly error codes. Use IF-error to handle any general errors, and IF-NA specifically for lookup misses. This keeps your dashboards clean and professional. Topic 2.7, Named Ranges. This is how you make your formulas read like plain English instead of cell coordinates. Named ranges make your models easier to audit and troubleshoot. Instead of looking at the 5, you see units, making everything clearer. Finally, Topic 2.8, Data Validation and Drop-Down Lists. This prevents user errors before they even happen. Use validation to restrict entries to specific ranges or types, and use drop-down lists to guide your users through your model. We've covered a lot today. Remember, focus on structure, master your shortcuts, and always keep your models clean and auditable. Great job completing Module 2. Subscribe to SNB Experts for more financial modeling mastery. See you in Module 3.